If you've been hunting for real project cars under $1,000, cars with stories, scars, and tons of potential, this list is packed with the kind of finds you never see twice. From forgotten farm trucks to classic Fords and old Pontiacs, these are the cheap builds worth dragging home. 1. 1969 Chevrolet Corvair 500. We're starting off with a true budget rescue, a '69 Corvair two-door coupe, mostly complete, partially disassembled, and priced at just $1,000. The seller says it's a full restoration project with a good engine and transmission that reportedly ran before, but it does not run now. It comes with fresh rally wheels, most of the parts are there, and it's sitting in Detroit waiting for someone with a trailer and a bit of patience. If you like rear-engine oddballs with a strong cult following, this might be a fun challenge. 2. 1969 Buick Opel. Here's a cheap parts car with surprising potential. This 1969 Opel by Buick has been off the road since 1986, but kept undercover. It's mostly complete, rolls and steers, but comes with no title and no keys. The 1.9-liter engine's condition is unknown. The floors are soft, and the value is mostly in its glass, gauges, and trim. At just $500, it's hard to complain. It's either a donor car or a very brave person's next oddball revival. 3. 1965 Dodge D700 cattle truck. Now here's something you don't see every day. A heavy-duty Dodge D700 with a 413 big block, a manual transmission, and a 2-speed rear end. The seller says the truck runs great, but it needs a brake line and a clutch slave cylinder before it can move under its own power. Clean title, 163K miles, and an old-school farm truck look that's hard not to love. If you want a project that stands out at Cars and Coffee, this giant red beast might be the cheapest way to do it. 4. 1977 Dodge Caravan Cargo Van. This '77 Dodge Cargo Van runs and drives, which already puts it ahead of most sub-1K projects. It leaks transmission fluid, needs a power steering belt, and probably a few more odds and ends, but the 318 V8 with the 4-barrel is worth the price alone. If you like old-school vans with character, patina, and plenty of room for a custom build, this is a cool starting point. 5. 1969 Austin Healey Sprite. A family story kind of project. This Sprite was supposed to become someone's first car, but decades passed and here it still sits. The exact year isn't confirmed, but it's definitely an old Sprite, and there's no title. It's a rough project, but with the right buyer who knows these small British roadsters, this could become a lightweight, fun little classic for not much money. Right now, it's a blank slate with plenty of potential. Number 6. 1973 Ford F-150 FX2. Here's a classic long bed Ford that's clearly been sitting for years. This '73 F-150 is a V8 truck with the engine and transmission still in place, but the seller makes it clear, no expectations of function. It's being sold as a whole project with no title, but the body panels and glass are good and it still has the old school 3-on-the-tree setup. For someone who knows their way around old Fords and doesn't mind dealing with paperwork, it's a strong start for $1,000. Number 7. 1966 Ford Ranchero Base. This '66 Ranchero is a true builder's project. Originally a 289 automatic car, the drivetrain is gone, and the body has patches in the floor and bed. Someone already mocked up a Mustang II front end, and the seller includes a ton of parts: grille, surrounds, valance, bumper, steering column, trim, and more. It comes with a clean title, and considering the $700 asking price, this is an incredibly budget-friendly starting point for a resto mod or cruiser build. Number 8. 1967 Dodge Dart. A 4-door Dodge Dart with a slant 6 that's unfortunately locked up. It's a 3-on-the-tree manual car, basically complete and ideal for parts or a full driveline swap. These old A-bodies are surprisingly lightweight, and the aftermarket support is strong. If the body checks out, it might be a solid $1,000 canvas for someone wanting to build a sleeper or convert it into a budget street project. Number 9. 1962 Pontiac Catalina, mislisted as Bonneville. This listed as a Bonneville, but actually a 1962 Pontiac Catalina. This one's basically a roller with no engine and no transmission. The body is pretty solid except for framework needed around the front doors. At just $500, it's one of the cheapest 60s full-size projects out there. Clean lines, wide stance, tons of potential. If you're good with welding, this could be a killer foundation for something unique. Number 10, 1979 Chevrolet Impala. Rounding out the list is a true parts car. This '79 Impala no longer has its motor, transmission, wheels, or much else. What you're really getting is the body, the clip, the doors, and the trunk lid. But for someone already building an Impala or needing sheet metal and trim, this could be the cheapest donor car you'll find. For $500, it's hard to argue. If you enjoyed the hunt, drop a like and stick around. There's always another batch of cheap classics waiting to be rescued. And who knows, your next project might be in the very next video.